We're here with Jay Taylor talking about children's entitlement to child support upon entering college. Jay, can you talk about how this works and who collects these child support payments?
Yes, in Oregon, we require that child support is paid until the child turns 21 if they attend college. So when you have more than one child, and the oldest is turning 18, from age 18 to 21, the support payments should go straight to that child. But sometimes the orders are not properly written, or if the state is actually garnishing child support, they will not allow a portion of that child support to go with the child, to go directly to the child. So you need to go back and check with an attorney and sometimes revise those old orders so that your child attending school can collect his or her fair share of child support.
For more information, you can contact Buckley LeChevalier at 503-620-8900 or go to katu.com.